Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students and welcome to FSEX online support program. Students, this is week 1 and day 2 lecture and our unit is function and limits. Students, exercise number 1.1 and question number 1. Given that our question is fx is a function, fx is equal to x squared minus x, and part B is fx is equal to under root x plus 4. Find f of minus 2, f of 0, f of x minus 1 and f of x squared plus 4. Okay, students, solution of this question of part 1, fx is equal to x squared minus x. First of all, we will find first part f of minus 2. It's mean we put x is equal to minus 2. It's mean in the question in the place of x we substitute in the place of x minus 2. f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square minus minus 2. Because of square the negative sign will be removed and we have 4 minus and minus plus positive 2 4 plus 2 6. So the value of this function fx is equal to x square minus x when we put in the place of x minus 2 is 6. Next student, the second part fx is equal to under root x plus 4. The same process of this question, f of minus 2. It's mean again we put x is equal to minus 2. It's mean in the place of x in question we substitute x is equal to minus 2. f of minus 2 and in the place of x under root minus 2 plus 4, 4 minus 2, 2 under root 2. So our solution is f of minus 2 is equal to under root 2. And second question is find f of a plus h minus f of a dividing by h and simplify fx is equal to 6x minus 9, fx is equal to sin x, fx is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus 1, fx is equal to cos x. We have need to find this f of a plus h minus f of a dividing by h. So students, first of all we have need to find f of a plus h. It's mean in this question we are solving the first part, fx is equal to 6x minus 9. In the place of x in this question we substitute a plus h. So f of a plus h is equal to 6 a plus h minus 9. 6a plus 6h, 6 we will multiply to a and h. So we have 6a plus 6h minus 9. Next step is we will find f of a. f of a is equal to, it's mean we substitute in the place of xa. So f of a is equal to 6a minus 9. So we get f of a plus h minus f of a dividing by h is equal to, this is the value of f of a plus h, 6a plus 6h minus 9 and minus as it is this value of f of a, that is 6a minus 9 dividing by h as it is. The of the brackets you can see here is the negative sign, and when we of the brackets then symbol will be changed. This become negative 6a and this become positive a, and minus 9 positive 9 cancel out, plus 6a minus 6a cancel out. We have just 6h divided by h and h cancel. So the value of f of a plus h minus f of a dividing by h is equal to 6. So the second part of this question, that is fx is equal to sin x. This is trigonometric function and simple sine function. So as it is, first of all we find f of a plus h. It's mean we substitute in the place of x a plus h and we have sin a plus h, and in the place of x we substitute a and f of a is equal to sin of a. So f of a plus h minus f of a dividing by h is equal to sin a plus h. This is the value of f of a plus h minus sin a. This is value of f of a dividing by h. Students, here as you know we apply the formula sin alpha minus sin beta, the half angle formula which you have been studied in the first year mathematics books, chapter number 10, sin alpha minus sin beta is equal to 2 cos alpha plus beta dividing by 2 and sin alpha minus beta dividing by 2. Okay, a plus h is the value of alpha and a is the value of beta. It means a plus h is alpha and a is a beta. Alpha is equal to a plus h and beta is equal to a. So according to formula, 2 cos a plus h dividing by a plus h plus a dividing by 2 into sin a plus h minus a dividing by 2. A and a cancel. We have 2 cos a plus a 2a plus h dividing by 2 sin h by 2. Okay, keep in mind this 2 and this 2 cannot cancel to each other because this is multiple and this is this is 2 of the angle. Okay, so these cannot cancel out each other. So we separate this h 1 by h into 2 cos 2a plus h dividing by 2 into sin h by 2. This is our solution. Okay, the next part of this question kindly do yourself because this question fx is equal to x square plus 2x square minus 1. Here I have missing sign of equality, so put here sign of equality. Okay, fx is equal to cos x. Okay, same method as in part 1 and 2. Okay, so kindly solve these questions. Hopefully student you pick everything effectively and inshallah in next lecture we will learn about we will solve more questions and their solutions.